Is that a possum?
What is it? And he's gonna take off. Oh.
He's fighting with
Yeah.
God, he's big.
All right, little armadillo, little 9-banded armadillo. All right, well, we just caught this little armadillo. He's a pretty young one, but they're super cool. Gotta love armadillos. They're kind of all over. They get hit by cars a lot. They're pretty stupid, so they're pretty easy to catch. But look at those claws. They use those claws to dig a ton, and then they got that big old nose. They can help smell out bugs and stuff.
Whoa. A hidden creature.
All right, I think there's something in that jar.